Unveiling the Magic. How DJ Software Transforms Your Mixes. Eston Loyford YouTube channel presents Unveiling the Magic, How DJ Software Transforms Your Mixes. Welcome to a realm where beats become stories, and melodies shape emotions. Today, we're embarking on a journey to demystify the heart of DJing, the powerful realm of DJ software. Prepare to unravel the intricacies and unleash your creativity as we explore the magic within. The DJ's sonic canvas. Imagine a canvas, not painted with colors, but woven with melodies. At the core of this digital canvas lies DJ software, the modern maestro's most potent tool. A treasure trove of features awaits, enabling DJs to craft seamless symphonies and orchestrate dynamic experiences. DJ with DJ Software Interface. Step into a world where you're not just playing music, you're sculpting it. Picture yourself at a virtual turntable, seamlessly weaving together multiple tracks. With the ability to control playback speeds, curate libraries, and create flawless transitions, DJ software places boundless creativity at your fingertips. 2 paths, 1 destination. As you traverse the landscape of DJ software, you'll encounter 2 distinct avenues: the vibrant world of live DJing and the artful realm of studio mixing. Each path beckons with its own allure, inviting you to craft musical narratives in different shades. Live DJ performance. The first path leads to the electrifying realm of live DJing, where your music resonates in real time with a pulsating audience. Imagine the exhilaration of merging tracks on the fly, controlling the crowd's energy with every nuanced transition. Studio mix creation. Venture onto the second path, where studio mixing reigns supreme. Here, you're a sonic architect, meticulously crafting mixes that transcend time and space. Studio mixing, akin to digital alchemy, offers unmatched precision and the luxury of perfecting your creations. The inner workings. Now, let's delve into the core mechanics of DJ software, uncovering the secrets that power seamless mixes. DJ software interface elements. DJ software is a symphony of tools that empowers you to import audio tracks from diverse sources and curate your musical journey. Equipped with a virtual mixer, you'll wield the power to sculpt soundscapes, adjusting volume, applying EQ, filters, and more, to craft transcendent transitions. Crossfade transition. At the heart of DJing lies the crossfade, the magician's wand for sonic sorcery. Whether it's a gentle merging of melodies or a swift dance between beats, the crossfade is your key to creating seamless, mesmerizing transitions. The dynamic duo, live versus studio. As you tread the paths of DJ software, you'll encounter 2 formidable companions: live and studio DJ software. Live DJ set. Live DJ software empowers you as a stage commander, synchronizing beats with the pulse of the audience. It's the stage for those captivating moments in clubs, parties, and live events, where the heartbeat of your performance resonates with the energy of the crowd. Studio mix creation. On the other side, studio DJ software extends an invitation to compose musical tales with intricate brushstrokes. A sanctuary for crafting radio shows, podcasts, and immersive mixes, this method combines the precision of a maestro with the boundless canvas of a creator. Mastery unveiled. Having glimpsed the 2 paths, let's master the craft and unearth the finest tools for your sonic odyssey. DJ Studio Interface. Behold DJ Studio, a cutting-edge software designed for the realm of studio mixing. With a revolutionary timeline editor, AI-powered auto-mix capabilities, and an intuitive interface, DJ Studio empowers you to conjure mixes that resonate with the essence of your artistry. Other DJ software logos. Beyond the horizon of DJ Studio, explore software gems like Rekordbox, Traktor, and Serato. Each gem offers a unique facet of DJing, unlocking avenues for creativity. Whether you're orchestrating live performances or crafting immersive studio experiences. Embracing hybrid brilliance. But why choose one when the universe offers a hybrid symphony? Embrace a fusion of live and studio software for the ultimate creative journey. DJ creating mix. Step onto the live stage, breathing life into your music before an enchanted audience. Then, retreat to your studio sanctuary, where you meticulously craft tapestries of sound, unburdened by time constraints. As our expedition through the realms of DJ software concludes, remember that every track, every beat, and every transition is a brushstroke in your musical masterpiece. Join us in our sonic voyage. Hit that like button, subscribe to the rhythm, and embark on a journey that will redefine your DJing artistry. The stage is yours, the mix awaits. Are you ready to let DJ software be your guide? Let's dive into the symphony.